we have called this press meet because of the unfortunate incident which happened at Lamphel, Manipur, Imphal West, Manipur, where the United Committee Manipur office was burned down to ashes by some unidentified miscreants. Regarding this incident, what we would like to state from the side of United Committee Manipur is that there were a lot of documents which were being preserved since the formation of United Committee Manipur. During 2001, United Committee Manipur was even formed prior to 2001 because it is an apex organization of more than 36 CSOs where even Amuko was also involved. After the repeal of the ceasefire agreement with unconditional ceasefire agreement with the NSNIM, they decided to move back. But even then, the United Committee Manipur at present consists of more than 36 civil organizations and many other different district level organizations, as well as our subsidiary organizations. Now the issue with this is that we would like to appeal the government, the government of Manipur, to increase its intelligence. Why? Because the location where United Committee Manipur has been the head office is there. From that particular location, it is just around 100 meter to 200 meter where the Lamphel police station is located. After another 100 meter, the NIA office is located. Behind the United Committee Manipur, the SIB office is located. So it is a very unfortunate incident that the Manipur State Intelligence failed to stop all these things. And regarding even the fire tender also came a little bit late, and there was no fire foam which was being used. When with such intensive fire, they were only using water. So like it is a very unfortunate incident. We would like to appeal whoever has done it not to repeat such incident again, because United Committee Manipur is a property for everyone. Every Manipuri has contributed in making this organization a success. Then this organization has also fought for the rights and various issues related to the survival of our indigenous people. So from the United Committee Manipur, we whoever has, like our consultative member Mr. Dilip is sitting here, our president Tamo Joy is here, I myself, I am the organization secretary, and all our executive members. Today we want to appeal the government to identify all this, to identify and find out who are the miscreants who has burned down this office. And we have lost a lot of documents which is not comparable to even a crore of rupee. There were documents which related to border pillar. There were documents written by tribal chiefs of different communities living in the border area who had mentioned about the things which they have not received from the government, as well as the land which they have lost during the border fencing and all these things. So it is very important to mention from our side that we have lost such huge empowerment from our people, and we want the government to act fast and find out who are these miscreants and give them befitting punishment. And later from our end, we would like to appeal whoever has done it not to repeat such act again, because it is against the unified Manipur, and such kind of activities will make other people happy. And moreover, it shows that we are so much divided inside and within us. So thank you so much. Through the media, we would like to appeal all these things, and we hope that the government take stringent action and find out who are the miscreants and bring them to justice. Thank you so much.